So this is a requested video and we'll be reviewing Cycle Brand's Pushkarini Agarbatti today. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So what we have today is an agarbatti from from Cycle Brand called Pushkarini. So one of my viewers or subscribers called Christine Michael has requested this video. So Christine, here the video is for you. So what I tried looking for this incense first in the local stores and I could not find one. So what I did was I ordered it through online from the Cycle Brand web store, which I always do. I don't go through Amazon like I told you in the earlier videos as well. So but the only thing is the price of this incense is 10 rupees for the normal 9-inch incense that we have in the market. However, when I went online and I thought, of course 10 rupees is not something that they'll be sending, so I had to order more, and I tried ordering 2 more masala agarbattis, so which I did not really like so much. But anyway, so this is the box that I got the incense in. Why? Because I ordered this Pushkarini Agarbatti, which is, this one is a long one. So this is like 19-inch Agarbatti. The normal ones are 9-inch, I guess. So that's what we have. So this is the box. This is a huge box. I got this. This is a long box. So this is what I got. And like they always have inside this box, they have this bubble wrap. So that this was there. And so the 3 incenses that I had ordered were Golden Flora. I will not be reviewing this one because I really did not like this. It smelled like, when you smell the packet, it does smell like a little bit like masala agarbatti, but I did not really like the fragrance. This fragrance is more like a deodorant and combination of detergent kind of a fragrance. And it might sound weird, but the thing is, that is what that is the kind of fragrance association that I had with this. Might not be the same for you, but this is what I had. So I will not be reviewing this. So I got this Golden Flora. This also is a masala batti, so I got this. There were quite a few good reviews on the Cycle Brand website for this, so I got this, but as you can make out, I really didn't like it. The other one is Om Shanti Pure Dhoop Agarbatti. So this is for 50 rupees and they have a matchbox inside this, and if you can see. But even this, the fragrance is just like that. I don't know if once I start using it, and probably if I use it sometime and I like it, I might review it, but for now I don't think I'll be reviewing this one either. So the one thing with agarbattis or with any incense products is that if you have a box, and in that box if you have various products with various fragrances, the one that is most overpowering is going to overpower all of the other fragrance products, and all of these start to smell alike. So it starts to smell like the one that has the most overpowering fragrance. So I think that must have happened to these. So I'm not really sure. So I will not be reviewing the Om Shanti and the Golden Flora for now. Let's see if I like the fragrance, and if I feel like doing it, I might do it. So what we got inside this pack was this, a small card which said cycle.in, just like that. And on the other side, the Shanti mantra is there. So Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukh bhag bhavet, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May all be happy, May none fall ill, very necessary. May all witness auspiciousness. May none ever feel sorrow. Om Shanti. Peace to all. This is a prayer for you, your loved ones, and the well-being of all beings. Stay safe, pray safe. So this nice little thing that we had with the pack. So this is what we had. Now I did not want to, I did want to order the normal agarbatti, the normal 9-inch agarbatti, but I really wanted, I went online and the normal agarbatti was for what, 10 rupees, and this one was for 40 rupees. So I thought might as well try this, the 19-inch long one, and so this is what I got. So now what we have here is, on the one side we have this branding in English. So it says Pushkarini Dhoop Agarbathi, and they have this nice painting of a temple on the bank of a river which has the lotus in it, which has lotus in it. It has a nice big probably banyan or peepal tree there, and it has nice view of mountains that we can see. So if you see the painting, it's really pretty. See the painting there. So can you see the temple, the river, the bank of the river, the temple is situated on the bank of the river. We have this lotus in the river. You see the mountains here. You see this huge tall tree, which could be the peepal or banyan, because that is the one tree, which dense trees we usually associate with the temple. So this is what we can have there. The other side, now then what we have, so this is what you have. On one side it says 40 rupees, and they have this branding of Cycle Agarbatti, and then they have this Pushkarini Dhoop Agarbathi. So this is what we have. The next side we have the usual directions for use and the names in various Indian languages, South Indian languages, and Bangla and Oriya, not Oriya, some other language anyway, and it says available at pureprayer.com, but I got this from cycleagarbatti.com, cycle.in. So we have this, and it says Pushkarini is a sacred pond that signifies our need for purity in places of worship, and Pushkarini is a trademark name. So it says Pushkarini Dhoop Agarbathi creates an ambience of purity and is a blend of herbs, resins and natural oils, and we have, it says fragrance to enhance spirituality. So this is what we have on the other side. If you see, this is what we have. Then the other side we have certified carbon neutral manufacturer committed to a greener earth. And then it says manufacturer and exporter N. Ranga Rao's, they have this whole address of Mysore. Then they have contents is handcrafted agarbattis plus free agarbatti holder. So we have 2 agarbattis in these, 1 agarbatti holder, and this is for 40 rupees. Then they have the customer care number, the cyclepure.com, the URL that they have. Then they have this, the barcode, and then they have this logo of responsible care, and then the logo of NR group, and then it says in Hindi, सुगंध जो धार्मिकता को बढ़ाए. So this is what we have on one side. Since this is a long pack, I need to show it to you like that. So this is what we have. Okay, then what we have is, one side we have the branding in Hindi, and they've given the picture of the holder that they have inside. This is agarbatti holder inside, and then the Cycle Brand logo. Then again we have Pushkarini written and Dhoop Agarbatti, and then the painting. So it's like that. If you see, this is what we have. This picture of the temple is really beautiful. It looks very nice, very pretty. So that's all we have on the 4 sides of the the pack. Then we have the Cycle Brand logo on this side. Then again the other side also we have the Cycle Brand logo. This is what we have. Huge this one is, and this is going to be a really nice one if you have, you know, say a long puja going on, like, you know, probably a Gri Pravesh or Satyanarayan Puja or Durga Puja, some place where you need an incense that can last really long. So this will be a good one. So there are two incenses in this, and I opened this one, and because I wanted to try this, so I opened this one and I tried, but I'll show you the other one which I kept to show you. So what we have is this, and inside we have this nice carton which has partition to hold both the incenses separately. I don't know if you can see, you see that? This is what we have inside this, and this is how long the incense is. If you see, of course, because it's a long incense, it has this bamboo core which is like nice and sturdy and rounded and smooth, and then we have this incense stick which is like nice and big. If I show you with my hand, see, that's how big it is. It covers my entire arm. That's the length of this. So this is what we have. This is 19 inches and it's going to last, I think, probably 2 hours or probably more than that, because I haven't tried. I burnt half of it and I put it off because I wanted to keep this for the review here. So that's what we did. Now let's check out the fragrance. Let me light up the diya. And before we go ahead with the lighting, let's check out the incense holder. It's Cycle Pure Agarbatti. So it's like, it's a pyramid shaped holder. You see that? It has a hole there and all the sides are plain. I will not keep it plain. I'm going to paint this with white and gold because that's the color I like the most, you know, the white and gold combination. I'll be painting this with that. If you can see this we recently made. This is the phases of the moon. I really like it, so I made this and we pasted it here. That also is golden. This was white on golden. And then on one side we have this, it's a double-sided tape, so you pick this out like that, and then you can place it wherever you want to place it, and that way it's quite sturdy. Otherwise, without this holder, without this tape, this holder is not going to do the work. I tried it and it was falling off like anything, but this tape is really, this tape makes it sturdy, so this is good. So this is what we have. And let's check out the incense. And it's surprisingly, even though this is a long incense, the smoke that it gives out is not a lot, and I like it that the smoke is not a lot. There are some people who like a lot of smoke, so they like Sambrani cups because they give out a lot of smoke, but I don't like a lot of smoke, so I like this. So this is what we have. There. Because it's nice and thick, it takes some time to burn, you know, it takes some time. There. See, it has that nice resinous smell, that smell which is very typical of masala agarbattis or dhoop battis as they call, and it has a little floral undertone as well, you know. It's nice. You like that, you know, if you like that kind of fragrance which is like very, very, very temple like, I think that's the speciality of these masala battis. They're very temple like, you know, they're nice. So you can get the smell of that resin, some kind of resin. You can get some floral undertone, and there's a hint of sweetness to it as well, and of course that typical temple fragrance. So if you like that kind of fragrance, you like it, and it's a nice one. You know, you can have the normal sized incense, and you can get it for 10 rupees. And if you want to check that out, I would suggest that you go to your local herb store. You might get it in the local herb store, or try it through Cycle Brand website. The only problem with the website is that you go ahead and, you know, if you want to go to, or you go online and you want to place an order, you need to have at least a few other orders as well. So while you're there, you might want to order, say, Durgeshwari brand powder, the Sambrani powder that we had. You can order that. You can order some frankincense. You can order, these are the things that you'll be you know, you might need as an to burn in the loose incense. You might use it there. You might use it to make your own incense, you know, like the ones that I've shown in other videos. You can do that. And so you do that, and you can buy a few Sambrani cups. Those are nice. I liked Durgeshwari Dhoop, you know, the Sugandhi, the black ones, the normal black cones, black cylinders, small ones. It's called Dhoop. So the Durgeshwari Dhoop, you like that. So you might want to order that. If you have to go to Cycle Brand Agarbathi website and then order it. And that's what I would suggest. I would suggest not to go through Amazon. One, because there are chances of getting fake products there. I don't know how they manage it, but they do. And the other thing is, on Amazon, I don't know whether you'll be getting a single pack. So try your local herb store, try the Cycle Brand website. So that's all I have to say. Other than that, I hope you're watching the playlist, and any more reviews. If you like reviews, you might want to check that out. If you want to see how to make your own incense, I have a playlist on that. You might want to check out the Hindi episodes if you want to check out the Hindi thing. So that's there. And I had done a series on Corona. You might want to check that out. And if you like readings, and if you like incense podcast type of thing, you might want to check out the readings. You like the readings, I've read some nice paragraphs. There's book review, and you know, so you might want to check out the channel playlist and see what other things are there and might be of interest to you. So this episode is dedicated to Christine, and thanks Christine for, you know, requesting me to do this review. So that's all for the episode today. Till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.